Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I have a few cards I want to share with you that I made with some new items that I have from my stash. First up, the Stamp Market enamel dots. Now you guys have seen these before in my videos, and you know I really enjoy using them because I have a lot of them. So I've been trying to use them up. Next up is my favorite 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. I don't know what the name of it is, so if any of you have a clue, let me see if I put this paper in there, you can see the design. Let me know below. I don't know what the name, I can't find it on their website. And oh, maybe I'll look in my previous orders. Duh, that's what I'll do. I'll find out the name. And this embossing folder, which is hand-drawn lines, it's another one of my favorite. I also used some new items to my stash. I was watching Jennifer McGuire's channel, and she showed these die sets and these stamps and washi tape, and I just really wanted to try it. So it's from PinkFresh Studio, and it's called Enchanting Flora. So you get this really long stamp set, and it's just one stamp, and then you get some sentiments below, and then you get the matching die set, which is one long die, and you get one of the sentiments die, which is You're the Best. I also have the washi tape. Now the way the washi tape works is that you peel it back, and you have to peel it all the way back to the top of this design here. And then you put that on some white sheet of paper, and then you can die cut it, and then all of the different dies come out. So let me share with you what I made. So first up is this cute little card, and I just put hello. I think this is from one of my Spellbinders sentiment set. And then what I did with the extra little florals is I kind of mounted them with some foam tape, just a really low foam tape, to give the card a little bit more dimension. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but in person you can see because I use such a thin piece of foam tape. And then next up is this cutie, and this is where I use my favorite embossing folder. And then I put, hiya, bestie. That's really cute. And then just some dramatic colors here. And then this was my favorite one, using this really pretty paper from Basil. And then I embossed it with the 3D embossing folder. And then this is the sentiment from these die set on You're the Best. So those are my cards. So let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here a while, thank you for continuously supporting my channel. I love when you leave comments below. So until the next video, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.